We're at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at Studio Apartment 6L. Let's go on in. The kitchen is on our right-hand side. As we enter, you can see the refrigerator, and there's the sink and microwave, and you can see the cabinets and drawers. There's a stove and oven. Before we go into the main part of the apartment, let's take a look in the bathroom. The bathroom is the same in all of these apartments here in the plaza. You'll have your tub and shower with a sliding door. There's the vanity and a toilet, and there's a medicine cabinet over on the wall. As we go into the apartment, you can see we've got the closet over here, so we've got some nice hanging space for you and storage. And let's take a look at the furnishings. You can see the dresser, there's a full-size bed. We'll go back around where we came in through the entrance and kitchen. There's the dining table and chair, there's the nice tall bookshelf, and we always will have a desk and chair. So we're on floor 6, so I want you to take a look at the beautiful view that we have to the west here outside of the window at Collegetown Plaza. So we've got some gorgeous valley views here, so that's really nice in all the seasons. So that's just a fantastic view you'll have out of your window at Collegetown Plaza in the 6th floor studio. We'd like you to be able to see some of the variations of ways that you can arrange your furniture here in the apartment. So here's just a sample. These apartments, as you know, are always the same size and shape. The difference will be what you see out the window on the different floors. So we're on floor 6 of this 9-floor building. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road, right in the heart of Collegetown. And we're just 1 block from campus.